Hello everyone, and welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. Have you ever found your orchid's roots completely rotten, yet the leaves are still green and healthy, and you just don't know what to do to save it? Don't throw it away just yet, because today I'm going to show you a super simple but incredibly effective method: growing orchids in water. With this method, not only will you save a lot of time, but your plant will also recover quickly, grow strong new roots, and turn lush and vibrant again in just a short time. If you're new to orchid care, don't forget to subscribe to Wonder Garden so you won't miss any natural tips and secrets for growing healthy, beautiful orchids. When you notice damaged roots, stop watering immediately to prevent bacteria and fungi from continuing to grow and spreading to the healthy roots. After that, remove all the old growing medium from the pot, as it is often the place where harmful pathogens and impurities accumulate. After completely removing the old growing medium, I use sterilized pruning scissors to cut off all the rotten, damaged, or hardened roots. This step helps prevent bacteria from spreading to the healthy parts and also stimulates the plant to develop new roots after treatment. After removing all the damaged roots and infected areas, I rinse the entire orchid thoroughly with clean water to eliminate any remaining impurities, dirt, and sticky residue on the stems and roots. This step is crucial because it cleans the plant's surface, prevents bacteria or fungi from continuing to grow, and helps the orchid absorb nutrients more effectively during the following recovery steps. To treat the orchid, I use 2 cloves of garlic and chop them into small pieces. Garlic contains allicin, a natural compound with strong antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties. When used on orchids, garlic helps eliminate root rot-causing bacteria, prevent fungal infections from returning, and boost the plant's natural resistance. After chopping, I place all the garlic into a clean glass cup. Then, add 500 milliliters of warm water. The warm water helps activate the allicin in the garlic, making the solution more effective as an antibacterial agent. I cover the cup and let it steep for about 2 hours, so that the garlic's active compounds fully dissolve into the water. After 2 hours, once the water has completely cooled, I strain it to remove the solids, keeping only the clear, pure garlic water. To prevent the plant from being shocked by the strong garlic solution, I dilute the strained garlic water with 500 milliliters of clean water. Diluting it reduces the allicin concentration, making the solution safe and gentle for the orchid's roots and leaves, while still retaining its antibacterial, antifungal, and root regenerating properties. Now, I will use a portion of this garlic water solution to wipe the leaves of the orchid featured at the beginning of the video. Wiping the leaves with garlic water not only cleans off dust, bacteria, and mold on the leaf surface, but also stimulates the plant's respiration and photosynthesis processes. The allicin in garlic has strong natural antibacterial properties, helping prevent pests, mold, and harmful bacteria while boosting the leaves' resistance. Next, I soak the orchid's base in the garlic water, so it's fully submerged for about 30 minutes. This helps kill any remaining fungi and bacteria, stimulates root recovery, and allows allicin and organic sulfur to naturally disinfect and prevent root rot from returning. I use the remaining garlic water to wipe the leaves of the other orchids in the garden. Garlic is an excellent natural ingredient rich in beneficial compounds for plants. Its main active component, allicin, has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping prevent and eliminate bacteria and mold that cause leaf diseases. Additionally, garlic contains sulfur, a trace element that boosts plant immunity, supports enzyme and chlorophyll formation, and helps leaves become darker green and healthier. When wiping the leaves with garlic water, the surface is cleaned of dust and external mold, improving photosynthesis and natural light absorption. At the same time, a thin layer of garlic extract coats the leaves, helping protect them from small insects like aphids, thrips, and fungal attacks. Regularly applying this solution to the entire orchid garden helps the plants maintain healthy, glossy green leaves, thick and sturdy foliage, and fewer diseases, while creating a natural, clean, and safe growing environment for the orchids. After 30 minutes, I gently remove the orchid from the garlic water and use a soft cloth or clean paper to dry the base and roots. This step is important as it removes excess solution and keeps the root surface dry, reducing the risk of bacteria and fungi continuing to grow. To replant this orchid, I prepared 2 transparent plastic cups like these. First, place the orchid in the cup with the base facing upward, ensuring the plant is stable and has room to develop new roots. Next, I use tap water that has been left exposed to air for 3 to 5 days. This allows chlorine and other volatile substances to dissipate, preventing harm to the orchid's new roots. When adding water, pour just enough to cover a small part of the leaves or reach the base, never submerging the entire plant to avoid rot. Place the orchid in a well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight, as the plant is still weak and very sensitive to high temperatures. During the recovery phase, minimize moving or handling the plant to allow the new roots time to stabilize and begin growing again. On top of the cup, I use the second plastic cup and punch a few small holes to provide natural ventilation. These holes allow air to circulate, maintaining just the right humidity without stuffiness, helping the orchid adapt and grow new roots in a balanced and safe environment. Results. After 1 month, you can easily notice positive changes in the orchid. From the base, a few new roots have started to emerge and grow longer, a clear sign that the plant is recovering well and the root-stimulating process has been successful. The leaves have also become firmer, darker green, and glossy, no longer soft or wilted like before. Maintain regular care by misting the orchid's base and roots every 3 days using tap water that has been left exposed to air for 2 to 3 days. Results after 3 months, the new roots have grown significantly longer, thicker, and healthy ivory white, indicating that the orchid has fully adapted to the water environment. One of the major benefits of this method is that the young roots are well protected from pests and damage, allowing continuous growth without interruption. It also saves time and effort, as frequent watering is unnecessary. You only need to maintain the water level and change it periodically. At this stage, with stable roots, the orchid can be carefully transferred to a new pot. This helps the plant gradually adapt to the external environment, supporting stronger growth and overall health. I will replant the orchid using pine bark, a well-aerated and durable medium that is ideal for orchid roots. First, line the bottom of the pot with a thin layer of pine bark to provide airflow and ensure good drainage. Next, place the orchid neatly in the center of the pot. Gently cover it with pine bark and secure it so the plant stands firmly without wobbling. To keep the plant more stable, I use a small metal stake or stick to support the stem, ensuring it remains upright during the initial stage. Finally, cover the surface of the pot with a thin layer of moss. This moss naturally retains moisture, slows water evaporation, and creates a cool, stable environment for the orchid to recover and grow new roots. From now on, you can care for this orchid pot as usual. Water it regularly, maintain moisture, and place it in a well-ventilated, shaded area. What do you think about this orchid care method? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and follow Wonder Garden to explore more simple and effective ways to care for orchids with me.